What is up, everyone? This is Drew. What's for dinner? I'm up in Rockbridge, Ohio, checking out this property for a buddy that I went to school with. There's these 3 A-frame houses, well, cabins. I just want to say that pressure washing has taken me to some amazing places. You can see the view there. Anyway, just trying to judge these with the height because as you can see, this one doesn't need the roof washed, but the other one does. And the other property that I was already at, I didn't film anything, but I'll try to throw some pictures up like right now. So let me flip around the camera and maybe get you some views of this other one. I'm trying to judge the height of the buildings because obviously they want them washed, but they also want the roof washed on a couple of them, not this one. But it's kind of hard to determine the square footage of the house or the cabin. So this isn't really so much going off of square footage as it's kind of going off of feel. Again, and I want this job, so I'm going to give them a good price, but there's a lot of hills around here, so it'll take a beating on my transmission of my little van, my little work van, pulling that trailer. But I'm going to take out my drawers that weigh probably 400 pounds, and maybe that'll help. But there's also got to be a better way to get up here, so I can avoid some of these winding roads. But yeah, I'll try to give you some shots of the next place. But that was 2 of 3. Let me flip the camera around. I don't know if they want this little outbuilding done. Right, throw that in. Here's the other building. This is more of a pain on the other side. This side, I don't know, it could be 20 feet as well. So, but you can just see, if you can see off into the distance. That was the pictures. That was the lodge. Gotta head over to this other property and I'll be back. I'd like to get some video of me driving out of here, but for one, I'll know my way around. But the reason why I want to get video of it is because it's so sketchy. But I don't know my way around, so I'm going to have to use, thank God for GPS. Because, you know. But yeah, I'm going to head home, about an hour drive home. It's pretty warm. But yeah, this is going to be a big a big undertaking, that's for sure. So, got the, let's see. I can't work this shit. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to get off of here. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys would estimate this to be. I know you guys don't have I'm not going to give you the numbers, and then especially on the lodge, you didn't see any video of the lodge. The lodge is bigger than this place that we just viewed, so it's probably about 3 to 4 times the size, if not bigger. I mean, because you got the, you know, there's no pitch on the roof on the other one. But anyway, yeah, let me know in the comments hopefully I can start getting some more of these videos put out. But the thing is, once I'm so busy with my business, I don't have time for them. Hell, I don't have time to play guitar. I don't have time to do anything. You know, get to spend a couple hours at night with my family, and that's kind of where my priorities are. So you guys take care, and yeah. So I think try to flip this. I think for y'all city folk, that's what I am. I think that tree's tapped, or I don't know. I could be completely